Just want to respond to a quick comment there from Mickey Morgan. Cobalt chromium poisoning or cobalt poisoning from hip replacements. I didn't know there was such a thing. There are so many things happening in our world today that are making people sick and making people unwell, and people are struggling to respond. What happens, the body becomes toxic, and these toxins swirl around the body for years, making people sicker and sicker. And I'm shocked to hear that hip replacements are part of this illness. There are probably so many issues I'm not aware of. I focus a lot on mental health, but there are so many medical procedures that are causing people side effects. And they're looking for natural and herbal and alternative remedies and solutions for better health. So I did a quick search there and a quick review of what would I think about, heavy metal poisoning is the way herbalists would approach it. And we always go for Spirulina or Chorella, which are green algae. They're a powerful source of natural sunlight. Basically, the green algae captures that sunlight, and we're firing away still. And it's you're trapping that sunlight in the Chorella and Spirulina, and you're getting it into your body. So it's a powerful, powerful antioxidant for cleansing. Of course, all the other antioxidants, blueberries, lots of berries and greens. A healthy diet is the best source of cleansing. If you are suffering from toxic poisoning, you've got to look at your diet and make your diet a super green plant-based diet with lots of lentils and chickpeas and brown rice and nuts and seeds and avocados and chlorella, spirulina. Get those juices into you. Then we look at herbs to cleanse the liver, really important, and to cleanse the blood. Particularly burdock root is really good for a blood cleanser. Milk thistle really good for cleansing the liver, and mugwort is a really good herb for cleansing heavy metals in the body. Other herbs such as nettle and horsetail as well. A combination of horsetail and nettle could make a nice infusion. What else do I have in my notes? Is there anything I left out? No, that's it. Garlic is recommended as well. As I mentioned, mugwort is one of our favorite herbs for cleansing heavy metals. So you're not going to cleanse it automatically or overnight. You've got to do it slowly, and the best way to do it, as I said, is with diet. You do it gradually, and then using herbs to supplement and support the diet and get those toxins and metals out of you, because they are making you sick, as you know very well. And I hope this video helps other people. My channel now is getting to more and more people, and I feel a responsibility to get messages out and become a mediator of the message between people that are experimenting with their own health, trying to find better natural ways to feel better, and professionals like myself and others who are trained and study and research these approaches to health. Of course, we're in a battle with the pharmaceutical industry and lobbyists and chemical industries that have a vested interest in maintaining their profit-making machine, and these profits are costing people's lives. And the media is infiltrated, and you can't trust what's in the mainstream media. And hence they criticize social media, but social media is at least people's media. So it's a big jungle. There's a lot of content. You don't know what's good or what's bad. So it can be hard, but the mainstream media are not giving you the truth. They will not welcome the truth. They not present the truth. They present what suits their paradigm. The governments control the media control the governments, and it's all one big interconnection of relationships that keep us in the dark and keep us dependent and keep us drugged and keep us medicated and keep us from being awakened. And I hope the message of this video, this channel, is helping you to awaken to the power of herbs for better health, physical health, mental health, spiritual health, physical health. I've said that twice. But it's for awakening. It's for better consciousness, to live a happier, healthier life. I'm going to leave you with a sunset from Dublin, and I hope to see you in a video very soon. Take care. Bye.